I don't know when's the last time I played Grand Theft Auto, but it was probably when I graduated high school. I don't even know. And that was like 5 years ago. I don't even know. Alright, we're gonna do some heists. We're gonna steal Black Panther statue, gold. It's looking nice. Best payout ever. I think it's like 2 million. Shit, I wish I had that. But we're gonna do this while I'm high as fuck. You get me? Now I'm gonna adjust my hair because I look like an emo boy. No, tonight, gonna be the night. You know? Alright, first we're gonna blow up some aircrafts. And then let's do the heist. I don't even know where I'm going. I'm blind. I'm not gonna see shit. Okay, let's see if I can try not to crash, because I cannot see shit in this condition. Oh my, this is a bad idea. You're gonna lose me in this. I cannot. No, this is bad. Fuck! Dude, I fucking knew it, dude. All right, let's do this again, shall we? All right, 2 down. 6 down, sorry. It's a good thing it's sunlight, because I still cannot, I can see the ground, but I could tell the difference of water and land in the sunlight than night. Nighttime is just pure blue. And plus I'm not flying a fucking 200-mile-per-hour jet. Motherfucker, you want this money or not? Behave. Be patient. Right on. Locked in, boy. I'm locked in. Alright, we're doing this lone wolf style shit. We're doing this. Lone wolf shit. I am trying to grab this thing. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's it. Turn into a Brazilian soccer player. Look at that ass. Just doing my 8 to 5 job, man. Ooh, yes. I'm sniffing all of this in the fucking plane. I don't give a shit. Oh, what? Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. What? How they know? What? How they baiting me? No, go back. No, 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 no. What? I was on a roll. What? No, 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 not, no. No, 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 no. Wow. There's no way they found the dead bodies. No. No, no, no. Dude, that would help me out so much. Hey Billy Bob, how's it going? How's the kids and wife? Good? Yeah, I'm just gonna sneak out with the cocaine. I'm trying to look for like the grappling hook. That's what I need, man. Did I leave my bike over here? Where did I leave my bike? Over here? I lost the bike. Oh, there it is. fuck, I don't even know where's the grappling hook, honestly. But I have an idea. If I don't know where's the grappling hook, I shall take this. Act natural. Please don't turn right. Please don't turn right. Please don't turn. Ah, yes. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Dumbass. Hey, muchacho. Alright. Oh, yes. The prize, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, yes. Look at that. What? Nah, man, no. I guess I'm gonna have to make a part 2, because, I'm having a difficult time. For the first time ever, I'm having troubles getting this money, and it's so easy. It's so easy. Do they, like, bump up their guards? Like, when they see that body, they're like, yeah, I'm gonna log off. Take some time to chill. I got work in 2 hours. So, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I entertained you guys. Next video will probably be me beating this. Get the money, you know, hopefully without any struggle. So yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Peace.